guys, so I literally got home from Vegas about a few days ago, and I had so much fun. If you guys have not seen that vlog, I will put a link down in this description box. Like, I had so much fun. I love getting it out. I want to do it again soon. You guys know I love Vegas. It's like literally last month I went to Vegas, and then I went back to Vegas this month, and I don't have another trip planned to Vegas, but that's just like my second home. And literally everything I wore in Vegas, it was from Bourgeois Boutique. And if you guys don't know what Bourgeois Boutique is, it is a clothing store that me and my mother started. It's only online, and I'm gonna give you guys 20% off if you use this coupon code. So right now I'm supposed to be, oh my god, it's so late. It is 7:20. I'm supposed to be meeting up with a friend, having drinks and stuff and food. I need to leave the house by 7:30. It is 7:10. I am not going to be able to do anything with this makeup. I'm going to have to do literally like casual look. And another thing, I just got a ticket, so I am not going to be driving for the rest of the night. I'm going to be getting an Uber because I'm so upset. So I need to calculate that into my time as well. I need to get an Uber and possibly, I don't even know what to wear. You know what? Yeah, I don't have time for this. I'm just gonna put foundation, maybe one eyeshadow. Oh, I kind of want lashes though. I had this battle I think like last week. Yeah, my last vlog, I was battling between wearing lashes or not, and somebody commented and said I should have worn lashes, and she's right. I should have worn lashes. So I am gonna throw on lashes, but nothing else, because I don't have time, and I'm still not even dressed. This is ridiculous. I would have been on time if I got home earlier, but whatever. I'm not gonna have that ruin my day. I wanted to talk about something while I was doing my makeup today, but I don't think I have enough time to talk about this topic, so I'm talking about the topic on my next video, which is going to be another get ready with me, of course. I kind of like doing get ready with me. So, it's so quiet. I don't know what my dog's doing. Shake! Every time he's this quiet, he's doing something. And he already scratched me today, so. But you know what? I feel like the message of the day. So I feel like the message for today should be never settle. Never settle. I'm talking about anything, with life, dating, especially with dating, because when you see my track record of dating, you can tell that I didn't have any standards. And partly it's because I just wanted to be with somebody. I had low self-esteem when I was younger. And you guys don't know, I used to be a little bit chunkier than what I am now. So I guess that played a factor too. I did have low self-esteem, and once I lost weight, which I have a video about my weight loss journey, once I lost weight, I guess I built a little bit more confidence, and now, and plus I'm older now, I'm very selective about who I date or get my number to, talk to, and all that jazz. And I feel like now, when I made standards for myself, the type of guys I talk to are so impressive, and I am so happy. I've never been this happy with just dating, because they're real men, you know what I mean? Like, it's just hard to explain, but the thing that helped me most is that I made a list of things that I want, characteristics I want in a guy, and things that I do not want. Like, for instance, it's like in my dating in my past, I know that I don't want to be with someone who has children, well, I'm gonna say not if you have one, it's okay, but if you have multiple children, different baby mamas, of course I am not going to date you. There's nothing wrong with that, and if somebody is dating someone like that, there's nothing wrong. That's just my preference. The only reason I say no is because I feel like they don't have any standards as well. When you think about it, well, you know what, I probably offend some people by talking about this, but this is me, how I want to live my life, how I want to date. So anyway, yeah, so I don't want a lot of guys. I don't want guys who has a lot of children. I need someone who has an ambition, who wants, if they're not in a situation where they are now, I want somebody who is working towards improving their situation. So stuff like that. I have a list, and I feel like now I have standards. I feel like the guys that I date are following in line, and it's so amazing. It's so refreshing. Like, I cannot believe just by this step how it has changed drastically. I'm still mindful of the time. I need to put this lash on real quick. This one's not working. So yeah, that's my tip for everybody, to make standards for yourself, not just for, you know, guys. I guess this goes for anything, even for work. If your job, you're not happy with your job, you wake up miserable, do something to change it. You know what I mean? Like, change your situation. Like, for instance, another example with me is, of course I don't like my job, but I'm working towards improving it. I want, you know, better in my life. So that's why I like my short shifts. I keep, like in my last video, I always say that I like my short shifts, at least 5 to 6 hour shifts, because it gives me time to you know, create my better future for me. Focus on my business, focus on my YouTube, you know, focus on other stuff besides working for people who don't appreciate me. So that's my tip of the day, guys. Oh my god, this lash is not working. Okay, so these lashes really made the look, even though I'm not even having, I don't really have any makeup on, just have foundation and powder. I think it's okay. I think it's fine. Let me put one shadow on. Okay, so it is 7:25. I need to hurry up. And I still need to, oh shoot, how'd that happen? Okay, I need to find something to wear. Okay, so I'm gonna just hurry and throw something on, and then I'm gonna see you guys at the restaurant. I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit so you guys can see where I'm at, which restaurant I'm going to. And today's gonna be a fun one because we're going to one of my favorite restaurants, which is that's one of my favorite restaurants to go to eat. So this is fine, I guess. I don't have that much time anyway. I know I know it's bad to have somebody wait for you, so that's why it's gonna be good enough. Where's the rose water? Oh, yo, if you guys haven't tried the rose water by Mario Barascia, I don't know, this is it. This is like, I love it. It's a little expensive, but it's good, and it's so small. This is so small and it's expensive, but I like it. You guys should try it. All right, let me just hurry up and get dressed. See you guys there. Thank you. Have a good night. I'm just getting out of my Uber, guys. Finally made it. It took forever, but I want to show you guys my outfit. It's really simple. This is literally, wait, I'm going to go over there. Hold on. So this is my outfit. People staring, but my outfit is very simple. I just where he stood his arm. He's been waiting for I'm about 5 minutes late.